When you have this kind of screen showing you this kind of error here, where you have error like this, there are two things that could possibly be causing the problem of this thing. One is your hard drive, two is your hard drive connector. Either one of them is bad, so you have to check to know the one that is bad. So to confirm if your hard drive is still okay, you press F2 just here. Then you can run what you call hard drive text. Second one, and see, you can run your hard drive check quickly. It will tell you if your hard drive is okay or not. Here you can see smart pass, that means it's okay. Smart pass, and it's testing in progress. You can go up to 100%. Okay, so when it finishes, it will tell you if your hard drive is okay or not. So that will determine if that is okay. The next thing to do is to check your connector if it's okay. If your connector is also okay, so we want to check the connector now, and this is how you check it. So open your system. I'm talking about this. This is your hard drive, and this is your connector. This particular thing. So if it's bad, you can change it, and when you change it and the problem still continues, then change it. Also change your hard drive. Use another hard drive to test to see if your hard drive is okay. After the run check, then you can replace this and see if the problem, after replacing it and you on it and it still shows you the same problem when you on it, which is this problem, it still shows the same thing, then you have to now go to configuration. So you can restart by Control Auto Delete, then press F10. That will take you to setup. Then go to system configuration. Here now is where you do your settings. Then go to boot options. Under the boot options, you check if your legacy is active. Then enable your legacy. Then after enabling the legacy and the problem is still continuing, enable your legacy. That's here. Enable your legacy here. Disabled. So if you enable it and the problem still continue, then you also after enabling the legacy, you press your F10 to save. Press your F10 to save after you have enabled it. Enable legacy and the problem is still continue. If the problem is, and after that, F10 to save, or you can back, then go to setup. You can say exit, you can save the changes, and that is it. But after this and the system will not come up normal, then you have to go back to system configuration. But if you done this and you save and it didn't come up, it still shows the same this problem. Like here now, if you look here, there's a code here. This is a code you need to enter. Just press it the way it says 7977, then enter. It comes with different code, so your system is back together. And if it doesn't come back, you go back and disable secure boot. when you disable the secure boot and save, that will also restore the system. But where these options did not work, then you know your board, the board has issue, where your connector is connected, it has issue, then you have to replace. You have to now work on the board or replace your board.